what it could have been.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel, and for those of you that are new, thank you so much for stopping by. So the new movie Wicked has come out. I decided to transform myself into Glinda, and I wanted to show you guys how I created this look using the products that I have. And also I'm gonna be transforming myself into Elphaba. So if you want to see how all of these looks are gonna turn out, then just keep on watching. Guys, before we begin this video, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of our videos. Now let's jump right into it.
Wasn't hard to tell that your eyes were following me. It was like we were under a spell, and anyone could see. We had to say goodbye before we had a chance to see what we held in our hands, what it could have been. You almost missed your flight. I'm not even gonna pretend I didn't try to slow you down. postpone the end. Send me a text saying wish things were differently, but I'm already with someone that's for my sympathy. That's all that we got left now, before the road will run out, before it's time for goodbyes. 4 miles until we're changing our lives. What's at the end of this ride? Don't know just where we'll arrive. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. No looking back, eyes on the road. Only thinking about where we're supposed to go. Don't have a map, just go with the flow. There's certain things we're not supposed to know. 4 miles, that's all that we have left now. That's all that we had time for. Don't know just where we'll arrive. But you could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. Yeah, we could be alright. You could be there feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. And we could be alright. But you could be there, feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. You could be there, feeling like yourself. I could be there, be somebody else. We could be alright. We could be alright. We could be alright. We could be alright. We could be alright.
Like a diamond, you alone. You cut my heart like glass, just like that. Like a lion, uncontrolled. Your mark is on my back, just like that. In it for the big thrill. Yeah, you play games with my mind, always, all of the time. In it for the big win. Yeah, you own all of my mind, always, all of the time, all the time. Collide with me, come high with me. we're not fast, we're hot like that. Like a diamond, you alone. You cut my heart like that, just like that. Yeah, in it for the big thrill. Yeah, you play games with my mind, always, all of the time. Yeah, in it for the big win. Yeah, you own all of my mind, always, all of the time, all the time. Collide with me, come high with me, and I'll go for you. Divine and free, go ride with me. Yeah, we'll go. Yeah, we're in it for the big thrill, in it for the big win. In it for the big thrill, in it for the big win. Collide with me, come high with me, and I'll go for you. Divine and free, go ride with me. Yeah, we'll go. I want you to know that with you I feel whole. And if this could last forever, I wouldn't have any other way. I want you to know that with you I'm never cold. Can we spend this life together? Any other way.
Alright guys, this is my look for Elphaba. So here you have the freckles, the glasses, a little touch of green, and a little touch also on the eyes. As you can see, I had so much fun creating this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. These glasses, I got them from the company Fido that they ended up sending me a bunch to try out. It has like a gold frame, which I thought was perfect for this look. I really love these glasses, guys. These are blue light glasses. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys later. Bye.